I only hit you when I want some. Thug till you realize all I wanted was you. You only hit me when you love drunk, cause you realize all I wanted was you. I only hit you when I want some. Thug till you realize all I wanted was you. You only hit me when you love drunk, cause you realize all I wanted was you. I be like, baby, don't do that. You press my buttons, you know better, depend on where my mood at. What's so f***ed up, I just might let her. We done weather, plenty weather, it's whatever with me though. Cause I know somebody gon' love me and won't never let me go. Think it's better that we grow with each other on my mother. What you do under them covers, it be better than these. And I ain't saying that I'm perfect, baby girl, cause you know me. But everything I say I do, and everything I do low-key. Why you flexing for them photos and them is in your tweets? He that nigga on the gram, but I'm that nigga in these streets. Just remember that I got you, you proper feed your soul. Girl, you hear me like a doctor, but you probably don't know. All that time we spend debating, hating, bickering. Got me breaking extra swishes, mixing liquor with it. So I talk like I don't need you, but you know that that ain't true. Cause everything I want, I'm getting. All I really want is you. I only hit you when I want some. Thug till you realize all I wanted was you. You only hit me when you love drunk, cause you realize all I wanted was you. I only hit you when I want some. Thug till you realize all I wanted was you. You only hit me when you love drunk, cause you realize all I wanted was you.
If I'm out of sight, then I'm out of mind. But you know I'm falling through the right time. I'm seeing what you want through the white line. I got that what you want, I give you lifeline. Tell me what you want, yeah. I give you what you want, yeah. No, I got that what you want, I give you a lifeline. But you know I'm falling through the right time. She said your name on her wish list. Wish list got me feeling like I'm big fish. Split, split, she on my line slurring in words like, okay, you lit. Drop that, you know you bond. Cannot leave my glasses on, I wanna see that real crystal. When we get smoking mirrors, I'm tucked off in the hills, real secluded in my feelings. Tell me, can you keep it real? Hold it still for a real one. Man, I've been f***ing with you since my Motorola flipping. If it's real, just drop the pin. I'm on my way, them ties gripping, doing 10 over the limit. The way you move, no lie, I'm finna have to take that risk. I'm touching all them spots till you regret giving me lip. I'm forward in my cars, I know I've been on your nerve till I splurge, paying dues to them curves. You was popping all that shit, now you outside of them words for the birds, yeah. Feel like we go together, let's not force it. This might sound sorta forward, but I sorta
I only hit you when I want some. Thug till you realize all I wanted was you. You only hit me when you love drunk, cause you realize all I wanted was you. I only hit you when I want some. Thug till you realize all I wanted was you. You only hit me when you love drunk, cause you realize all I wanted was you.
It's time people see what they think.